The Shortcuts appointment book suits me because, you know, there are so many features that are a benefit to the business, not only in just the day-to-day bookings and monitoring, also your staffing levels. You can see in advance what staff you may need. There's certainly a lot of advantages in having that booking system. There's less room for error, and the upside is very much about controlling your business on a day-to-day basis, being both your clients and your staff members.
My favourite thing about the Shortcuts appointment book is how easy it is to make an appointment over the phone and in a busy day. It takes seconds to make the appointment. It's very quick and easy to train my staff in dealing with appointments and any problems that arise in the salon.
It's very simple to move appointments around from the screen. Booking, it's like I said, it's very user-friendly. It only takes a few seconds to speak with a client, get everything ready. It makes the process a lot simpler from both ends of the party. Like for me to book the client and from the client on the other end, I don't keep them on the phone too long. Just a couple of questions and interaction are performed. So from my end, I like it a lot. It's really, really fun to work with.
I started off in hairdressing, apprentice hairdressing, with a manual book and trying to work out appointment times and how to fit people in, and it just dissipates all of that. It's easy for the girls to work. It's colour coded, so you know what's going on, where the girls are at any time, because if they're in with a certain client, it shows a different colour. You don't have to be super computer literate to work it. So anyone at any age in their life or experience with computers can pick it up really easily.
We have got a lot of girls that have worked here long term, and the clients want to be able to squeeze in with that individual therapist. So there's nothing worse than having to go from day to day to look at each different hour. You just click up the week view and basically you just can see every appointment that she has available. And that in itself basically makes reception run more tightly. It allows the client to get off the phone and we look really, really professional.